Well, today more groups are joining a lawsuit that is calling out Colorado's governor for his alleged actions. We first told you about this last week.
In that lawsuit, a state official says Governor Polis ordered him to comply with a subpoena from ICE, and that went directly against a law that Polis had just signed.
Yeah, Fox 31's political reporter Gabrielle Franklin is taking a deeper dive into the legal action.
Yeah, lawmakers, labor unions, and immigration advocates are all calling out Governor Polis for what they say is a violation of a new law that he just signed 2 weeks ago.
Little did I know, y'all, that Governor Polis would apparently ignore his own advisors, his agency directors, and the very language he himself signed into law in order to bend the knee to a bunch of ICE goons who were too lazy to go and talk to a judge.
Bill sponsors, along with other lawmakers, including chamber leaders, are standing with labor unions representing state workers, calling out the governor, supporting a lawsuit that alleges he instructed the statistics director of the state's Department of Labor and Employment to share what's known as PII, or personal identifying information, with ICE. Colorado wins towards justice, and AFL-CIO announcing today they will be joining the lawsuit along with Scott Moss, the State Department director, who came forward with the allegation. Groups worry Homeland Security's request for information from the Department of Labor could have other intentions.
If they are, familiar with the undocumented community, they might be working in a location that has other undocumented workers, and so their work history, which was part of the information that was requested, their workplace history could lead to targets of those workplaces.
ICE says they were requesting the information for an investigation involving unaccompanied children in an effort to make sure the children were being properly cared for. But supporters of the lawsuit say nothing on the subpoena indicates this investigation is criminal rather than civil. In a statement from the governor's office, a spokesperson tells us, keeping kids safe is a top priority. Child exploitation is a deeply concerning issue and has no place in our state. Complying with this federal subpoena meets the requirements laid out in state law, and providing this information is in service of investigating and preventing any criminal activity, which Governor Polis is deeply committed to. And the CDLE whistleblower who initially filed this lawsuit was in attendance today, but he did not want to speak on the matter at this time. Reporting outside the state capitol, Gabrielle Franklin, Fox 31.